Live. Shit, man. I want to talk about this market little recoup that happened yesterday, man. I wish I was in the middle of a trade, but I was working all day, and then I got to get out of work and look at the chart. The prices is all coming back to me. I'm rocking with it. The only thing that I'm really not rocking with is the fact that when it was crashing real good and real bad, I only bought into it for like the first week. And then I was like, oh, not even that whole week, like a couple of days. And I'm like, no, I can't afford to do this. I can't afford to buy it at a new price every single day. And this shit went on for weeks, and I was pretty glad I didn't do that. But in, in the space of being glad you didn't do that, there's always that room where, man, I could have bought at the bottom and got my cost average down. But it's okay. I got, I don't know, like, it ain't much, but let me see. Yeah, it's not much, but I got 8 positions of silver at $66, 66.35 or something like that, right? And it's at 69 right now. I had an opportunity to buy into it when it was $58 and $60, but man, bro, part of the reason why I didn't do that was because I had so many other stocks. I trade on Webull and I have Bull. That might be turning around too right now, but that's different stock. A lot of stocks are doing the same thing right now. Everything move on the same algorithm. But yeah, if I hadn't had so many positions in other stocks, I would just focus on silver, man. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I would just put all of my cheese into it. Or I'll definitely keep like a couple racks just to trade that and keep it aside just in case I want to average down in the silver. But after I get another 5 grand, I'm definitely gonna make sure I always got some money to trade silver for sure. What up, Garland? I'm talking about how the market, man. It hopefully it's done. Hopefully we just go back on an uptrend from here on out. Jackie, what up, Jackie? But yeah, I was talking about how my silver positions is finally recovering, but I regret not doubling down into it while the market was crashing. Oh, thanks, Jackie. I mostly I'll jump on here. I'll be talking about my stocks and my trades, stuff like that. And I work. I could show off the work life, but uh, I I guess I'm just kind of like vlogging sales. But yeah, so oh wow, something was wrong. Oh, okay, but yeah. So now, once I get this extra 5 grand, I'm gonna be able to make sure I can average down whenever the market turns against me. But from here on out, I never will. Initially, my initial position size won't be a way where it's like, sheesh, I can't afford to keep doing this. Like if you went so small the first time, you could chase any stock all the way down to the floor. And that's why I like fractions. But I haven't been trading fractions, but I want to give it a shot. I'm gonna try it out because I have a theory that, like, say silver right now is almost $70, right? If I bought, even if I accidentally bought at the top, and it's $70 right now, and then it turns back down to like 65. If I had bought at the top at 70, and I only put, I'm gonna just go a real small amount, $1 in. Like when it turns down on me, I could put $2 in to make my price basically almost match what the recent price is. You know, the more money, the more heavier your cash is up front, the more you got to put in just to get the closer to the current price. So once I figured that out about averaging down, that's when I started trading different, and I'm like more patient about when I add and when I subtract. You know, I'm not I'm not panicking over a little bit of red or dollar red, $2 red. It depends on how many positions I got. You know what I'm saying, and how much it costs for that dollar to make me move. I saw you in the car behind. Oh yeah, so I'm just at the hotel right now in the morning. I ain't I ain't gotta leave till 8, so I'm just doing another little live, man. Talking about the market right now, man. It's oh yeah. I don't know if you still can see the moon up there, but yeah, it's 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 what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, it's 9 more days until the full one. So I wonder what the market gonna do by then. It's too cold. It's too cold out there, to be honest with you. That's why I'm sitting in the truck. But you in a tree. I'm living. I see. All right, Roana. Damn, wait. No, Roana. Um, no, man. I'm not. I am. I did just get up early though. But damn, I ain't gonna ask me that though. But anyways, we was talking about the stock market, and I just was saying that it's 9 more days into the full moon. What do you think is gonna happen by then? And what happened, by the way? Did Trump say in the war or something? Why is do you loves weed? You know what, man? You were a funny one. But uh I can't, man, bro. Come on, man. But anyways, uh, damn, you caught me off guard, man. For real, man. What I look like? What I just look like it or something? Damn, bro. Like, how come I can't? Sending love from Tennessee. Good morning. Thank you. I was just talking about the market, and then this guy wanted to ask me if I'm high. I'm like, damn, no, I'm not, man. Damn, bro. Give me a break, bro. But anyways, um, yeah, 9 more days until the fully. You know, I had a strategy. I had a strategy. I thought, you know, because I've been investing for a little bit, right? Just like regular investing. Up, silver is up another 5.4. Just got another notification about it. But anyways, I was just regular investing, like buying stocks every once in a while, buying full positions. I wasn't even necessarily paying attention to the price or seeing what is a good price for it. I was just buying into it randomly or whatever. And then once I started day trading, I was like, oh, snap. So now long term invest a little bit more different than I used to. But I was gonna say I put like 5K into this Donald Trump gonna open a straight up for okay. Whoa. A straight of hormones. I don't even know what that is. I ain't even gonna lie to you. But yeah. Damn, that done threw me off track, made me forget what I was saying. But I think yeah, do y'all think that was just like, I don't know if that's what happened that made the market recover like that, but Donald Trump gonna open straight hormones. I gotta start reading the news more, listening to the news more to see what be happening. But yeah, man. I'm just that's what I was gonna talk about. I shouldn't have I shouldn't have waited until I got like 5,000 more. I should have been chipping into really all of my holdings until this shit cooled down. But I didn't know where the floor was at, so I'm like, man, I'm not about to keep buying this shit every single day. And then, you know what I'm saying? They pull it back another 2%, another 3%, another 5%. And when you got thousands of dollars in that, man, it make you. Whew, I don't like seeing my money turn into negative 50, negative 100. Like that, you gotta have a different mind state when you're getting into these trades, though. You gotta think long term for real. So I still be wanting to win in my trades, though. That's why I didn't average down into it, because I'm like, if this could go on, I don't know how long this could go on. I'm gonna wait until I save up another 5K to start trading again. But I was like, either by the time I get to 5K, the price is either gonna come to me, or I'll buy down into the price. You know what I'm saying? Shark Attack style. But yeah, man, that's how that went. Who's still on here with me? Oh, fire! Thank you. But yeah, man. Rona back chart. Hey, man, I want. Do I know you? But yeah, that's uh, that's basically how that went, man. Oh snap! Oh my gosh! Oh yeah. So then that's another interesting. I just got another notification about my energy stock. I'm only holding one, and it's kind of a hoper. I don't know what you guys think about it. It's went parabolic in the past, but it's only like it's 83 cents right now, right? My cost average is probably like 93 cents. And I probably got like, I don't know, almost $100 put into it, but I'm down like $10 or something. Uh, I feel like this is one of those stocks that if it actually decided to be down being a dollar and stuff, oh my gosh, good money. But then again, it's on the brim or the brink of becoming delisted, or doing like one of those reverse splits, and that should be so gay. I don't know if you ever had a stock and then it does a reverse split, but yeah, once it does the reverse split, it's allowed to repeat the process of draining all the way down to a dollar again. So I put in tracks. Uh, yeah, we do like construction, sports construction around the football fields and stuff like that. But so yeah, man, I lose my train of thought so easy. I gotta finish off. See, this is good training for me because I gotta remember to finish what I'm saying before I start answering questions. Oh man, so I really did forget for real. Um, yeah, man. Once I get that cheese over there, I'll be on that. But yeah, bro, I'm just glad I'm positioned. No shit. But yeah, I don't know, man. Be like, sometimes I be trying to let the price come to me. Sometimes I be wanting to be in there aggressive, always staying on top because I bought at the right time. Threw some off of the ship. That's what I be talking about when I throw some off the ship. That silly AI video I made. I don't know if people get my analogy, but the first time I ever was trading and I averaged down so aggressive. The slight opportunity when the price got above mine, I instantly start selling some of them jokers. So if the price go down again, I'll be able to average down for real. And if it keeps going in my direction, I'll have some of them mugs. You know what I'm saying? So I love that. I love that about trading. It's not like gambling. You can try to buy your way out. But that's what I was talking about. So this stock is also this energy stock I'm trading on the brink of doing a reverse split. So yeah, they could it's 82 cents right now. They could say that, you know, they could do a reverse split and say uh every 10 of your shares is worth one now. And now the stock is like $8, some bullshit. Then they pull that motherfucker all the way down to $5 and you can lose money again. So that's the worst case scenario. But I'm wondering how long can a stock be under $1 before it has to do a reverse split or is, you know, in grounds of getting delisted. But I don't know if people know that question, but I'm trying to build up folks that know what I be talking about, man. But yeah, so and that's an energy stock. And then another interesting thing that I'm noticing, what is the adverse relationship between, you know, commodities like silver, gold, and platinum, precious. What is the correlation or the relationship between precious metals and then energy? You know, does the world like get all of its use out of the energy and then move back over to materials, or vice versa? Like, or is it just simply have something to do with like money placement, where everybody deciding to place their money, and since all my oil and energy stocks is crashing right now. Is gas cheaper right now? Damn it. Shit. Hey, is gas cheaper for a brief second? It's like a little bit cheaper. But hey, man, I don't know. I wanna end up in the floor on energy and precious metals, and a lot of stocks. I just want to end up in the basement. I like chasing the floor, and then I like throwing some off of the ship while I'm chasing the floor. My long game end goal is to end up in the basement. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's my long game. That's kind of like been my strategy. I do gotta learn. You gotta get comfortable with selling though. I don't care what nobody say. I don't see why you wouldn't sell if you get an opportunity to, especially if you aggressively average down to get the good price. You sell again and wait for a better price. You know what I'm saying? Wait for a better price to sell and buy. But hopefully, I think this seems like it might be a good week, though, huh? Yeah, so other folks out here get ready to go to work. Bought silver, exit with loss. You exited with a loss? Why? Why didn't you just keep holding it, man? Now, wise, man, you should have bought into it more and then, like, hey, sell it later, man. Silver, a long term play, man. Honestly, though, I think it's a long term play, but out of all of the stocks I done traded, man, I like bull. I assume I trade on Webull and like I'm losing on Bull so bad their stock. And yeah, bruh. Out of all the stocks I done traded, man, SLV, the ETF, the the iShares ETF. That's what I trade. I trade that stock, bro. That's my breadwinner, bro. Like that's my favorite one. But it's nowhere near as like it's kinda expensive. It start to add up once you get one position, two positions, three positions. Yeah, that ETF, man. Yeah, I like that ETF. It no, your shit was crashing and shit. It's alright. But yeah, I traded actively and pretty hard. I could have had more than 8 positions, but all right. See, I'm just getting into it with my own bread. You know what I'm saying? I ain't no prop firm trader or nothing like that. I'm using my real hard earnings, trying to get some good trades off. You know, possibly leverage that in the future. You know what I'm saying? We got plans with it. But yeah, definitely gonna keep trading with my own cheese. Maybe one of these days I might try that prop firm shit. But it's like it seems like you got one opportunity, you got one shot. And I don't think averaging down is a thing in prop firm trading. Like you gotta get it right. But yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Bitcoin nowadays, Bitcoin is nowadays just crashing. Yeah, I know. Uh, people might be happy about this. Like the only people that are happy about their Bitcoin right now are people that bought it way before $66,000. Um, and then the people that just bought at the bottom, like they're cool. People that bought it when it hit like 65 or 65,000, yeah, those people are fine. But and the people that bought it but way before that, like I thought I was fine and I was just loving on Bitcoin, just loving on it last year because I had what I bought into it. I bought into it at 80, and it was just a random time. I did no studying, no this, no that. I just bought into it at 80 because I'm just hearing about it. And I'm like, man, I want a piece of it too. And I bought into it at 80, and I honestly kept buying all the way up to the top. And by time when it hit that 121, by the time it went down, I was touching. My cost average was about like 100K, 99, something like that, on all of my different crypto accounts of the Bitcoin I was accumulating. And then, yeah, bro, I'm down about like almost 50% on Bitcoin, man. People happy about this mug hitting 70,000, 74. I don't know what it just did. I was getting notifications about it, but it's like, it's not enough. It's not enough. See, and you know what? That XRP, if I just focused on one coin, though, I ain't gonna lie, I probably would have a good cost average. Cause I tried so many different coins, bro. Like, I probably only got like $3,000 tied up into crypto. But if I just focused only on Bitcoin or only on XRP or something, I'd probably be straight. But I wanted to have a little bit of all of the coins because I really didn't know anything about them. I'm like, by the time this thing is something that is unattainable almost or silly to buy, I want to have a good fraction of it, even if I don't got no full one, you know. But yeah, that XRP, man. I I started in on the XRP train because I thought this one should be extremely easy to average down into. Man, all of them coins, man, could do what they want, man. And crypto ain't like stocks where you getting delisted. You can't be no fraction of no damn penny on the damn stock market chart, bro. Like you can't, you know. So like that's why I don't know. I was like, damn, all of these stocks are doing the same similar drawback as Bitcoin. I can't afford to average down in each one of these months. Just like how I had to trim down my stock portfolio because I had like probably like 28 tickers going, bro. And I was buying little one share of a whole bunch of different things. And then the stock market crashed and all of them were crashing. And I was like, oh, so I had to choose like one at a time that I would try to average down into and just sell every single thing at the top, not trade it ever again and focus on the next one. So like I rinse and repeated that process to like a whole bunch of stocks. So like I give myself props on that for getting myself out of those trades. But now I just got like I don't know 5 or 8 positions, and it's been a very long time. It's real coincidental that when I got my portfolio all the way trimmed down, this weird stuff want to happen with the market. So that's that's beyond me. I can't say why that happened. But yeah, that's I mean, you know, hey, that's working in mysterious ways, man. Real, that's real coincidental. But yeah, if I could have started over, I just would have. I probably would still have the same portfolio, but I just would have. I would have bought at prime times, and I would have put less in to make sure that and save my money as ammunition for a darker day. You know what I'm saying? And like I put my foot. I got so much. I really hope that Adam does one good one day too. Cosmos. I bought so much of that, and I figured, oh man, this is a crypto that pays basically dividends if you put stake in it. But now you can put stake in all kinds of cryptocurrencies. But yeah, man. So I was rocking with that for a second, and you know, of course that shit crashing like how it is. But I'm just gonna keep holding it, man. I might buy some more this year. Honestly, if I fix all of my day trading portfolio and get everything in the green, I might fix all of my crypto portfolio and not wait for it to get back to 100K. You know what I'm saying? I might really do it. I might start averaging down into crypto again, for real. But it's like, I don't know. Like they say, some people say pick one beast. And I kind of get it now. Why they say to pick one. But I put my eggs in a lot of baskets, man. Yeah, I put my eggs in a lot of baskets. So, but hey, I put my eggs in a lot of baskets. But I sure got a lot of assets. Ooh, put my eggs in a lot of baskets. But I sure got a lot of assets. But I'm gonna tell y'all this though, man. Stay locked in. Take your profits when you can, if you can. Stay positioned though in this game, though, for sure. But I wish I was morally about taking profits on everything before I started. RJ Ritchie. Yo, what up, though? Man, I'm just about to almost wrap this up. Uh, I just wanted to get on here and rant about this little market, little bounce back. What y'all think it was really about? Or you think we got some more to go? Or did you miss out on all those prices that came last couple weeks ago? where you work. Um, Shoot, I work for a construction company that put in tracks around the football field and stuff like that. Man, I keep getting questions. As soon as I was almost about to wrap it up. Uh, yeah, man, that's my work, man. But yeah, man, I'm gonna get off of this joker, man. I appreciate y'all coming here. I appreciate the couple subs that I got, and yeah, man, I'll tap back in with y'all later. Hopefully, after today, I just keep getting more richer, and all my positions just keep printing me more money. Hopefully, right? And I hope the same for everybody else.